Hello and welcome to another video tutorial on how to use Matlab. Today I want to talk more about paths. And to do that, we'll just open Matlab as usual. And last time we created a function named word in which we could transform matrices from Matlab directly into Word. And to do this, normally you always have to change the directory, but today I want to show you how you can do this without always changing it. To show you an example, I just want to recall the function real quick by just typing in the name and trying to convert a random matrix to Word, but this doesn't work because we are in the wrong directory, because we are in this one, but the file is on the desktop, as you can also see in this line. And to change this, we have to change our directory to the desktop. So as you can see here, we are now on the desktop as a current directory, and here is our Word M. And now we can access our Word file, so we are now able to transform the matrices that we want to. If we now create a new folder on our desktop, so let's go to Own Documents and Matlab, New Folder, and just name it Auxiliary Functions. And if we put our Word file now here and try to convert any matrix with this function, then of course it doesn't work anymore. So again, we would have to change our directory to the folder we just created. So let's do this for a moment, like this, and then our command works again. But if I change to the desktop, I could tell Matlab that my file is in the folder Auxiliary Functions, and then Matlab would know how to access this file. And how to do this? Well, there's a command called add path, and you just type it in, and in the brackets you fill in the path. So just copy the directory and paste it to the add path command, press enter, and then there you have it. And if I now want to call the function, so let's enter here word of something, although I am on the desktop and not in the right folder, so let's enter word of a random 3×3 matrix, press enter, and this still works because you added the path. And this works for any kind of directory we are in. So let's say we are in first exercise, and let's say you are working in here and creating scripts here and still want to access your auxiliary functions, then you can do this by this method. So let's create a new M file in our current directory first exercise. I'll just name it new M file, and then open it, and from here we still can access our auxiliary files. So if I enter our function word and want to transform a random 2×2 matrix, and if I execute this, this still works because the path is still added. So let's go back here, and I want to show you how you can see the path really quickly. For this you type in pwd, and the answer is the path, the current path. And to open this, there's a command called winopen, and if you type in the current path, so pwd, then the window will open with the current path. If you want, you can create a shortcut with this command. So for this I'll just say open directory, and set the Matlab icon to save it in the shortcut bar, and then every time you click on OD, the current path will be opened. So for example, I'll go to the first exercise folder, and if I click on OD, then the folder of the first exercise will open. And here's the folder of the auxiliary functions again. And I can only recommend that you create as many auxiliary functions as possible, because this will save you a lot of work and a lot of time later on. So for example, why not create a function for the calculation of a distance between 2 points, no matter if in 2D or 3D. This is a function that we will need several times later, and this would be definitely also a function to put in this auxiliary folder. So that's it for today, and see you next time.